What's this? Maddie! Come here! Look at this! Come here, Madison! Madison! Aesop, out! Get out of the room! Out! Good dog. Come here, Maddie! No, Maddie, look at this! Look at this! Come here! What's that? Come here. Come on. Come here. Here. Come here. Come here. Maddie. No. Won't you come here? Come here. You are such a stinker. You just crawled. Come on. Madison. Look at the book. What is it? Why don't you go get it? You are gonna fall down, girl. What are you doing? Come here. Look at the baby. Come here, Maddie. Crawl to mommy. Can you come to mommy? Can you crawl to mommy? Come here. You're just having way too much fun over there. Come here, Madison, look. Come here. What's this? Maddie, what is this? What is it? Come here. Madison. No, come over here, baby. Come crawl to mommy. Psst, 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 psst. Baby, that's too hard to stand up on. Come here, princess, look. What's this? Ooh. Come here. No, come here. Yeah, there you go. That's Madison crawling. Woo, follow the boat. Follow your boat. Come on. Come on. Follow your boat. Where is it? Come on. Ooh. Good girl. Good girl. You got it. Good job. out. Now you can climb on your dresser. You're just everywhere today, huh? Well, today is February the 21st, and Madison is 7.5 months, and she's crawling for the first time. And now I don't think we're going to be able to stop her. You can crawl on Mommy? Hi, Maddie. Madison, can you smile for Mommy? Can you smile for your Mommy? You're just concentrating on crawling now. Aww. Yay, good girl. What are you doing? Oh, you gonna get the camera? Can you crawl a little more for everybody? Come on. Come over here. Come over here now. Come here. No, that's your light. You can't play with that. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Now we're being dangerous. Say bye-bye. No, not hello, Mugi. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Maddie. Can you come crawl to Mommy? You can crawl some more? Come here, Madison. Here. Maddie, here. Look. Madison, look. Come here. What? Is that it for right now? Come here, Madison. You're probably getting tired. That's a lot for a little girl for one day who's never crawled before. Okay. You're getting tired. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye.